We wish you warm welcome to our digital meeting, and today I am very happy to share that we have Mr. Omkar from Pune. He is a young IT professional and successfully completed his 3 exam first attempt. Congratulations, Omkar ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And without your support, I am not really sure whether I'll be able to complete even one exam. But when I see the past, I am now going for the 4th exam, and I guess it's just because of you. So thank you very much for the guidance and the support you provide during this journey. My name is Omkar, and I am from Pune. I'm a software professional with 11 years of work experience. I have done my BSc Computer Science in 2009, and I'm currently working as a senior technical support engineer in one of the software company. And I started my investment journey I started working in 2009, and on 2030, I purchased my first life insurance. So that was my beginning of the investment journey. Yes, after learning few of the products, now I can see that I have evolved from, investor who is uninformed, investing in insurance product, now informed investor who has a goal-based approach towards his investment and planning other things like contingency and other things.
May I know that what inspired you to think about CFP certification?
Started my investment journey in 2013. So from 2009 to 2013, I had no knowledge of investments.
Okay.
I was only doing the savings. I had in the past bitter experiences, like we had a hospitalization of my mother. She was suffering from cancer.
Okay.
So I have seen that emergency, and creating an emergency corpus was only my goal. Let whatever the emergency, I have to face it. So I was 100% to the savings. Till 2013, I had my investment in saving account, not even in a fixed deposit.
Okay.
So then I started learning about the insurance thing. Then my dad introduced to one of his friend who was the insurance broker. He purchased some Jeevan 149 plan for me. And when I invested, I thought, why not to learn about these things? I have to learn where I'm investing. So I started learning about the insurance just for a tax saving purpose, what I did. And then I went on a policy bazaar where I landed up into the ULIP products. Again, I wasn't sure that whatever I have did is the correct investment choice, or it was a forceful choice. Then I again started learning about the ULIP product. ULIP is it's not an investment product, and neither an insurance. I'm not getting the adequate insurance under the ULIP, nor even it satisfies my investment needs. Then I introduced to mutual funds, and I started with 1,000 rupees, and then eventually I learned about the mutual fund, and I gained the interest about this product. It wasn't only me. There are n number of people around me who are doing the same mistake which I did. So I thought of learning about the mutual fund as an investment. Then I went for the MFD certification, and the trainer who was training about this mutual fund distributor certification, he mentioned these things are the medicines. This is not the solution for your health, financial wellness. These are just the medicine, and the person who will suggest you these medicines is the certified financial planner. So I got an idea about the CFP at that time, but I wasn't sure whether I can do it or whether I'll be do it. But in 2017, at the end of 2017, I did the MFD certification and started educating my peers, my friends, colleagues about the mutual funds, investment, insurance, savings. And when I look back, I changed totally. I moved my hefty corpus from savings to FD mutual fund, and I have a gold stack to it. I have a term insurance. I don't have any life insurance as such. No endowment products with me. I have a ULIP, but now that will be, in a lock-in, so that will be clear in next year. So I don't have any toxic investment with me, and my goal is to educate other people about the same thing. Whatever the hardships I have experienced, I don't want others to be, go through same hardship. So that is my goal.
Good, very good, excellent. And that's the reason our country needs the young people like you. Okay, you are highly qualified and experienced people in different domain, whether someone is in IT profession, someone into let's say other profession, but they learn personal finance. Personal finance is needed because when you earn, it is a first job. But when you don't know how to save and how to invest, chances that either you will spend the money or chances that you end up with the wrong investment or investment mistakes. Okay, so to avoid the investment mistake and to learn into a right investment, it is very important that each investor must have adequate knowledge, or they must hire a qualified and experienced certified financial planner. Okay, so you are already into distribution, so you decide to pursue a certification. Good, important key benefit to you.
As I mentioned, sir, like I was heavy into the savings, so I moved my corpus to fixed deposit to mutual funds, and I had enough term life insurance. So talk about the practical applications. I have engaged with more than 10-15 families, and I found around 8 families are heavy in debt. So I educated them about the what is the loan, the interest rate calculation, the EMI, how it will affect in their life, and how they can reduce it. In December, one of my friend had a 13.39% interest rate for a home loan. So it's now reduced to 6.79. So around 3+ lakhs of saving he have done.
He must have taken loan
Yes,
from
correct, sir. Yes.
Because this much of interest rate is only possible in cooperative bank or NBFCs, because they give you a
Correct,
personal loan in name of housing loan. It is like that you mortgage security, but it is one kind of personal loan only.
Correct, sir. This was the one case. Another case was with my office colleague. He had a loan from HDFC Bank. And he wasn't sure the interest rate he was paying was a bit high. So I educated him about the HDFC. You are paying high interest rate. That time he was paying 9.7 something. Then we reduced it to 7.9. But while doing the calculation, I was not getting the some 1,000 rupees. Where are they coming from? So I asked him to check with his bank, like he's paying some extra amount for it, and then we identify he's paying that amount for an insurance.
Yes.
Which was close to the principal. So I said, why you are paying for that amount? Why don't you go for a lump sum? I mean, just close down your insurance. That's it. So he went in the bank, he did that thing, and he said thank you to me. So that was the another thing. And another example is of debt planning. One of my friend was eagerly talking about the equity, like market is going up, market is going down. What do you think? Elections and things. I said, don't talk about these things. Let me see your basics, whether your basics are clear. So he had a personal loan for the house construction, and he was talking about the equity. So I educated him about this thing, like you should, if you want to build the pyramid, you have to have a concrete base, but you don't have a concrete base, and you want to build your pyramid from the second level. So we educated him, and yesterday he replied me that I have converted my personal loan. I mean, he was paying 12.57 something from ICICI, and now he's paying 10.59. So he had around 25,000 of savings. So those are the changes which are, I made to my near and dear ones.
Good, very good, excellent. So I would like to share and summarize that now Omkarji is competent to construct the comprehensive financial wellness plan of client, where he can help family to reduce their lifestyle expenses, reduce their EMI by reduction of debt or reduction of interest rate, and achieve the debt freedom. He can help you to plan for the contingency fund, retirement plan, children higher education plan, vacation plan. And when you construct as a client, you know what are your short-term goal, medium-term goal, long-term goal, and what are the inflation-adjusted corpuses required. And when you know that, automatically you will basically reduce your expenses and increase more savings into right direction to achieve the goal. Definitely, we'll discuss detailed financial plan